Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to mute someone on X, formerly Twitter. So to do this it's very simple. You have just to go to X, open the app, and after that go to the profile that you want to mute, open it, and after that go and click on the three dots on the top right of the screen. And as you can see, there is an option called mute. You have just to click on it. And after that, you have just to click on yes, I'm sure. And you will not see any post from that person in the future. And it's like tells you here, you won't see posts from that account or get notifications about them. They won't know they have been muted. So that's it. I wish that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next.